Welcome to Emotion Identifier, my app. So, we'll be going through Who Am I? My internship journey with Clever, Introduction to Facial Emotion Identifier, How do I use it, and the contact information. So, I'm Hileri Shah. I'm 13 years old and a student in grade 9. If I'm not coding, you can find me reading. I'm pursuing my interest in AI through Clever. My internship journey with Clever has been quite amazing and truly fruitful. I was able to go deep in and learn more about AI every week. There were home assignments that improved us a lot, and they were even reviewed before class. So, my goal is to make a sentiment analyzer that detects the emotion of people and returns it to them. So, there are many types of emotions stored in it, and the model has been trained with images of all types of emotions. An image can be uploaded and is returned with its emotion detected. So, how do I use the app? The user interface appears. There's a button to upload the file. You can press it and browse and select the file in which the emotion is to be detected. You can press submit, and the emotion detected by the AI will be shown next to the image. You can contact me on my Gmail. And now we'll see the live demo. So, this is the user interface of my app. You can upload the file from here. And then after you press submit, the emotion detected will come, both
I
what
think the emotion is
and
happy.
out the emotional, the text output. You can even upload another file and then again press
I
submit
think the emotion is neutral.
and you'll again get the emotion detected in voice and the text output both. Thank you.